How to de-icer windshield or homemade windshield deicer. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about ways to save money, gardening and other special events. So today we're going to talk about homemade windshield deicer. So the main item we need for this is rubbing alcohol, and you need 3-part rubbing alcohol to 1 part water. So we need to, it doesn't have to be exact, but you need a measuring cup like this. So you just measure 3-part or 3 part rubbing alcohol. Like I said, it doesn't need to be exact, but 3-part rubbing alcohol. Then you need a sprayer like this. You can get a sprayer like this at the local store for like $1 or so. Or any sprayer you have at home. Just put the rubbing alcohol into the sprayer. And the next thing we need is water. So we need 1 part water. So 1 part water. So we just put the water, 1 part water here. You see, that should be enough. And then we're just gonna put it inside the sprayer. So and that's it. That's all you need. But just to give it an extra boost to clean up the windshield, I'll put a drop of any dish detergent. Right now I'm just using Dawn, but you can use any dish detergent. Just a drop or 2 should be fine. Close the sprayer, shake it, and we're good to go. So we're just gonna go to our car and spray it. So here we have, you see the eyes on the car. So what we're gonna do is just start spraying the homemade deicer that we just made, and just spray all over the screen. You can save a lot of money just by making your own deicer like this, instead of buying a deicer at the store. So also, if you have other great ideas on how you de-ice your windshield, please leave them in the comments below. All you need to do is just spray on the windshield and just use a wiper blade to wipe it, and that's it. We're all set. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Share with friends and families, and we'll have a wonderful day. Thank you.